How to earn money. Yeah, how to earn money. If you are not an asshole, it is not a question for you. Making money, it is not the goal of life, it's just a need. For me, money is a method of achieving my goal. I mean, I need them to accomplish my goal, not just to go to a club, drinking alcohol and show off in front of everyone. If you are not a jerk, you can always find a way to get paid. In order to get a lot of money, you do not have to be a child in a rich family or steal money. Don't even think about it. It is enough just to start acting and thinking more. So friends, I hope I was useful. Subscribe to my channel and always be happy and smile. Right now, smile. And what about hugs?